Do you want to change this URL into this URL? Using TinyURL.com, let's do it. These are my upload defaults, and you see them in the description for all of my videos. In fact, when this video is over, go down into the description, scroll to the bottom, and you'll see something similar. I'd like to add a link to my Twitter playlist. I'll paste it in the document. But you can see that it's really long, and it doesn't look good. Using TinyURL.com, we can change this. I can make the link shorter so that it looks better. Copy and paste the link into a notepad document. Make sure you use a text editor and not a word processing program, because this might break the link. Paste the link into your address bar to make sure the original link works. If the original link doesn't work, the link given to you by TinyURL will not work. Next, head over to the website TinyURL.com. I'll leave a link in the video description. At the top of the page, you'll see two boxes. Paste the link you copied into the first box. Here's a quick tip. Use the combination of Ctrl-V to paste using your keyboard. Hold down the Control key and type the letter V. Next, click the button that says Make TinyURL. Once you see this page, your link will be created successfully. You have some helpful information about the link, such as how long your new link is compared to how long your old link was. You can copy the link directly, open it in a new tab, or copy the link using the Copy to Clipboard command. Here's my notepad document with the original link. I'll paste the new link given to me by TinyURL below it. Next, I'll copy and paste the new link using the keyboard commands of Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V into my Upload Defaults document. First, I'll highlight the old one, remove it, and then add the new one. As you can see, it's much shorter and looks much better. Click on the link to test it. Click Yes, and your web page will load. Here you see my Twitter playlist on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Also, click that thumbs up if you liked the video, and if you didn't, that's okay too. It's all engagement. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.